preparing, and the rest are here. Yeah. In this clip, though I don't show their faces, the boys are now home. All the three of them catching up in our dining area. Kindly forgive the untidiness. So this is the last batch of our mandazis on fire. I've been preparing and the rest are here. Yeah. So day 2, we are having mandazi and white and black tea for breakfast. That is my kettle that just went off. I don't know whether the sound is able to pick here. So we continue with this vlog. Later on that evening, relaxing and catching up as a family. That's what you can see. Hi and welcome to this channel. Martha Makwata is my name. That's my introduction. Okay, so I doubt whether I should even be welcoming you because it is a vlog I'm doing. I'm looking down here because I'm just preparing. I'm preparing this. It's a vlog, a series. I'm cooking ugali, a series, the half-term series. So yes, I'm preparing ugali for my family. This is ugali for 5 people. I've already made kales mixed with spinach over there. This is githeri. We ate it and I've warmed it. I want to store it in the fridge. So today we were to do barbecue, however you want to pronounce it. But my sons had gone for ministry away from our local church, and so they have come back a bit late, and so I think barbecue is not doable. So I just want to fry the meat that I had bought for barbecue or for roasting. I've already boiled it, by the way, so I'm thinking of whether to just fry it lightly or to grill it. I'll decide, but for now I'm preparing ugali. Okay, we'll see at the end of this vlog whether I'll have decided to fry or to grill. I used a pressure cooker and so it is still cooling off. I cannot remove it right now. So let me prepare my ugali. That's our result. I decided to fry it lightly, and so that's the way it came out. It was so yummy. I wish you could taste. So that's my family enjoying the meal. Ugali, fried meat and kales. Do you have this character of running away from your dining? Kindly comment below. And to our day 4 of this vlog, and we had just done shopping for my last born who was to report to school at Carrefour Galleria. And so in this clip I'm just showing you Galleria, and next that's the shopping that we were able to buy. Just putting there, we did the major most shopping while he was reporting, and so this is just a top-up for him. So if you check well, you'll see that we have 2 peanut butters. One was for the home and one was for my son. The shopping costed around 4,495 to be exact. Normally I forget to tell you how much my shopping costed. So yeah, that's the second tab of Prestige margarine. The rest of the shopping was his, apart from the ones that you will see me show you in the kitchen area. So yeah, zesta jam. He wanted a lot of spreads for his bread at school. He wanted coffee. So I bought him. That is powdered milk. They are allowed to carry that. So we bought it for him. It's 900 grams. I was trying to focus on the quantity. Next, that is his sugar. I believe that was the last bit of his shopping. The sugar, 2 kg sugar for him. That is the whole shopping, which costed 4,495. I bought some fruits for us. Oranges, I bought sweet potatoes and a few mangoes and a pineapple and bananas. Just fruits for us. Yeah. Starting off dinner. Let me see what time it is. So it's around 5:54 going to 6. So I'm starting off dinner, which should be ready in about 40 minutes. And our dinner will be chapati, ndengu, and chicken. I think I'll do baked chicken. I asked my youngest, who is going back to school, what he would like to really eat, and so he said he wanted more of chicken. So his wish is my command this time round. So stay tuned to just see what dinner we had. We had a breakfast in the morning, and the breakfast was mainly white tea, black tea for those who don't take white tea, and bread and mandazis and some crisps. Are they called crepes or crisps? Yeah, that is what we had for breakfast. So stay tuned, guys, for the dinner and just to see what we will be having. Finally, our dinner is ready. The pressure cooker refused, and so I had to boil our green grams. And that is our chicken being done. In fact, it was looking amazing and the taste was so yummy. That's our dinner reveal. Our green grams looking so yummy, and the chicken to top it up. Comment below if you believe this was sweet.